Mesa presenta.
Hi, we are students from CIDEP 302, and we came to the Zoo La Pastora to expose information of some animals. We made a research of
the jaguar,
the rabbit,
Wolf.
the tiger,
the camel, black panther, and that's it.
So, I'm gonna be talking about the jaguar. The jaguar, its scientific name is called the Panther's orca. Its normal habitats are around South and Central America, wetlands, rainforest, and grasslands. It's currently on the top of the food chain, and it's a carnivore species. It likes to stay on warm weathers and sunny climates. So, its importance in the food chain is that because he is a apex predator, it helps balance all the species from its ecosystem and habitat.
The rabbit, whose scientific name is Oryctolagus cuniculus, is originally from Europe and Africa, but it has since expanded to almost everywhere in the world. It cannot survive in extreme temperatures, although it can support very cold and hot temperatures. Some of its biotic factors are grass, trees, insects, the flora, and fauna. The abiotic factors are the water, the sunlight, its geographical placement, etc. It's a primary consumer, which is in turn eaten by several secondary consumers. And it's important because it takes the energy from the plants and allows the secondary and tertiary consumers to get it.
The Mexican wolf, scientific name Canis lupus bailegi, is a subspecies of wolf that can live in USA and Mexico. It can resist climates from cold to temperate, so it usually lives in biomes such as forests, mountains, and plains. Its biotic factors are bushes, trees, and other animals. The abiotic factors are mountains, hills, and caves. It is a carnivore that usually hunts in groups, serving as a tertiary consumer, competing with species such as bears and pumas. It serves to control population of other animals such as rabbits, sheep, and deer.
Well, I'm gonna talk about the tiger. Its scientific name is the Panthera tigris. Their habitat are several. They could live in the tropical forest, evergreen forest, woodlands, and mangrove swamps to grasslands. But the optimal habitat are the locations close to water and lots of vegetation, so that when they hunt, they can camouflage. Their climate, it's as well as the habitats, is has a lot of variation, because they can live in Russia, -40 degrees, and in India, that is 40 degrees. Some biotic factors could be the tiger, the prey that they eat, the trees, the flowers, weeds, bushes, etc. And some abiotic factors could be the sun, the water, the soil, the rocks, etc. Their position in the food chain, they are hunters. This means they eat consumers. The consumer type, they are secondary consumers. This means that they eat the primary consumers. Their importance in the food chain is they are too important because they eat and control the amount of the primary consumers.
Hi, I'm going to present you the camel. The scientific name of the camel is Camelus. They habitat in the desert of the Sahara in Africa, in India, and also in Asia. The climate there is between 29 and 49 degrees. The biotic and abiotic factors of where they live are, first of all, the biotic factors are the plants that conserve water, the annual desert plants, the animal behavior, and the physical adaptation of desert animals. The abiotic factors are the little rain, soil, the type of soil, and the light. The position in the food chain of the camel is that they are eaten by wolves, and the consumer type are herbivores. Also, the importance in the food chain is that they give food to the humans.
Hello, I'm going to explain the black panther, which scientific name is Panthera pardus. They live in a rainforest and many of them live in Africa, but it is also found in Asia and America. The climate in the rainforest is, in an average, it's between 20 and 35, and it is also very wet and warm. Some biotic factors of this habitat is bamboo trees, sloths, anteaters, poison dart frogs, lemurs, and bromeliads, etc. And the abiotic factors are soil, water, rocks, light, and climate. Black panthers are considered at the top of the food chain because they are predators and consumers, and by the type 2, secondary consumers.
The black panthers are an important part of the food chain. They control the population of primary consumers by eating them for energy, and also provide energy to the tertiary consumers that hunt them.
And this was our video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Saludos, Miss Cristina.
Hasta la próxima.